Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me husband Marcel.
Hi guys, good morning.
Yes, and this morning we just exited Spalding's and we are heading to a place called Morant. We are now at White Shop. We're going to that way. We're taking the left.
Yeah, but remember you have a shortcut around here, saying
Oh, okay. We're taking the left. We're going to Morant, so we have to go through White Shop, through Sanganetti, and we don't know exactly where in Morant we're going, but I'm going to tell you why we're going there in a moment. So, yes, I think that road that we just passed at White Shop, I know it heads to Riches, Cumberland, Belcaris, and so on. Alright, so guys, our reason for going to Morant this morning, and Morant is halfway before you reach Frankfield, I believe. Alright. So we have a subscriber who has contacted us. She watches us all the time, and so she is here in Jamaica and she has taken some items down, or would have sent it rather, like food items and so on, and she thought that she'd share with us so we can share with a number of persons who are in need. And so we're going to do the pickup this morning. Alright, and so that's the reason for heading down. So we want to take you on the journey with us, so do enjoy, and enjoy the journey.
Yeah. Journey enjoyed.
Okay. You sound like you were enjoyed.
Yes.
Yes. So we have another pickup today, guys, and that is in Mandeville, where we have a donor who have sent us some items as well. From overseas, they would have shipped it to us through a shipping company, and so that shipping company has sent it to us via Knutsford, which is in Mandeville. So right after we leave Morant, we'll be coming through Spalding's, head to Mandeville to Knutsford to do that pickup. Hopefully we can do that journey as well. So you will see.
So we have to cross country today.
Yes. It is Sanganetti, New Testament Church of God.
Them surround at the other part shorter.
We don't reach there?
Huh?
We soon reach there in a little while.
No, what I said, they must say that the road
shorter. I think it's maybe because it's a better road.
But it's narrow.
It's narrow, and I don't know if it's shorter, but I guess the fact that them don't have to deal with the potholes and all of that.
Every road pothole them. This one every road, look.
They have some without. Make it look so bad.
On highway, all the toll road have pothole now. You know see it?
Which part?
Now you don't complain about it, all the one of St. Thomas and them places.
Oh, okay.
And my friend that,
From?
I don't know, they heal me. What's up?
Yes, man.
Get healings.
This name Coin Street over on our left.
So there Sanganetti, what there?
Yeah, this is Sanganetti Primary School. Let me see if I see a sign.
Yes, one
Yeah, Sanganetti Primary School. The road that we would drop out if we did take the shortcut is
right
over.
here.
Yeah,
Right
see
here.
there. Yeah.
Right, yeah, so. Right, Jicho.
Right, this so.
Right, Jicho.
So we soon reach Lodgy Green Road.
Are we where I go?
She said when we reach Lodgy Green Road, there are two roads. We should take the one on the right, but I think there's a sign somewhere down here that says Lodgy Green. I'm not sure. We'll wait till we reach there. Let me see. Look at the sign, Lean. Hold on.
No, but we're not seeing our right.
But this one says Ferron Street.
No,
so
we're not seeing our road turn off on the right side
yeah.
yet.
So I don't know where Lodgy Green is. We just drive and look.
Yeah? So one turn off there.
Can't be that one either.
Oh, I go Frankfield.
We're not reach all that way. We're not going all the way down.
Huh?
Halfway.
We're reach halfway yet? One time I ever go to Frankfield. You can go show me down there.
Yeah. They brought you.
What you mean I laugh about? You know that? You know Frankfield? Who brought you there? Oh yeah. Which part we there now?
I don't know. I don't know if this is still Sanganetti. Yeah, so we there.
Yeah. There, so.
That's I don't know direction, Marcel.
You say you don't know. I'm about me know.
You don't know. We're down here nearby a bridge, you know, everybody on the road.
But the bridge in another place. Bridge, remember I said the place can't move, you know, bridge in there all over Ireland.
True. Good point. It seemed like it was raining earlier down here.
And guess what? No, you see, we come all the way down here, so which part down here, so gas station.
Frankfield.
This off, we carry up back.
You should have get it in Spalding's.
You never go in a town.
Pick a spot.
Oh, Jesus. Spot there in a graveyard.
Yeah, take that back then. Take back that.
Yes. Take it back. Oh, yeah, go Grantham.
Marcel, Morant.
So we have to ask somebody where Morant there?
I don't know. We wait until we see the sign that says Lodgy Green.
See Grantham long there, so.
So unless I remember some signs there's somewhere down the corner down there. Let's wait and see.
No, right turn down there.
Of course, no. It would have been the main. Suppose the sign blow away and she don't know.
Huh?
Suppose the sign blow away and she don't know.
A paper sign.
Then all of the metal and everything that was gone, Marcel. if you call again.
You say when you turn, when you reach at the turn off, if you call her.
I set up the call before.
And we lost our place.
My place lost.
So, because we are looking fit, not sure. Alright. You know what you're talking about.
Oh boy.
And then drive off, you know?
Just
like, you
maybe.
don't want nobody behind him.
I did expect to see the sign already.
And you say, blow it. Like everybody down here so work, we don't see nobody on the roadside. Only two people sit down on the wall up the side, watch the people that take off black.
Or maybe they're gonna them farm.
You ask a man, yeah?
Lord, you know, you want to try?
I will ask him. Where place him where I look for?
Logic Green, Morant. Morant.
I look for Morant. You know him? Morant. Yeah. Oh. Thanks, yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
I look for Morant if you know him. He was about to answer and then like him.
That doesn't sound like one man.
It sound like somebody name. What places are named after persons, you know that.
Yeah.
That know him.
Then, yeah, man, I laugh after me. Can you not give me no space to drive?
What him say? Which part him say, Morant?
He said, if you pass the crossroad, unless I make one right turn on the next road.
Okay.
He said, you never hear?
Never hear fully what he said. So maybe I hear so this at the crossroad.
Yes, miss. The next right, we are going to take. We are going to take the next right.
Okay, sir.
And if I can't, I'm attack.
For the right.
So you make one right turn at it.
Let's see my Google map. Oh, this is it?
Yes, sir?
I think so. Okay, so let's call before we venture off road.
Then I want, no, sir, this is going in our yard.
We'll just hold on.
I'm not going in a people's yard.
Marcel, will you hold on?
Body spot, I call you, tell me if you hold.
Are we out in the road?
No, this is a road, and I road this. No, sir, I know this one. If I did, I go down there.
Hold on. Hello? We passed the road there that says Logic Green. Marcel, take time drive. Hello?
The road that said Logic Green?
Yes.
Just come straight down.
So I have to make no corner.
Don't, okay.
No corner.
Don't make any corner.
You're gonna see a corner, but you just take it.
Okay. That was me, no, that was Marcel.
That's you driving.
Yeah. Alright, so we just come straight down. Is there another sign we're to look for?
No sign.
Hello? I think we lose signal, yeah. Wait, passing through the bush,
No, sir.
internet.
Starling pick up everywhere. Yes, we see one turn down there, so. See light post gone around there?
Where? Marcel, that's not a turn, that's somebody's house.
And there want to go to somebody's house with that go look around.
And you turn back, so why would we go to somebody's house again like that? We turn.
No turn back that way.
Hold on there.
Your road, go on.
She said come straight. But we're not supposed. Why? I mean, I know, brothers. It's. She said come. It sound like we lost now. Hold on.
Outside place last.
Hello?
Yeah, just come straight down. Straight down.
So we're gonna meet the we're gonna come around because we almost close to Grantham.
No, you take the on that road.
Oh. And then when
Yeah.
okay. And then what now? After we turn up on that road, where is your where
And see anyone on the crew. And they will tell you, not far from there, so just a few chain from there.
oh, so we can just ask where you live.
Yes, everybody knows me. Even
Okay.
in Grantham, everybody knows me.
Alright. So alright, let's see if this one works for us. Alright. Well. Guys,
Tour, we're on tour today.
we're past where we should have turned.
No, we're not this of turn. We are a turn.
No, but not that. I mean, because there was a turn off, she said on the right. We did not see it. The only turn off we saw was the one where we were going to somebody's yard and we turned back. So, whoa.
Where we there now?
I believe we're in Grantham. So that means we come too far, but she said to continue. And there is a shop there somewhere down there. And we turn on the road. I think that road, I wonder if that road is the one we went on where we were doing the live streaming for. You remember? Let's see if this is up the hill. Let's see.
Turn right time, but she said one shop.
We're gonna snap shop. Hold on.
We're gonna ask somebody.
Yeah, I think we should.
Somebody's on veranda there.
But no shop not there here, so. No shop not there, so at all. But this could have only be the only road that lead back up there.
No, no, road not there on the next side.
I don't know, I don't think so. Oh my God.
There's some people there.
Hi, good morning. Are we on the right road to Morant? Oh. Oh, say what? Yeah, no, we can't. Yeah, because we missed the pass. Oh, so turn back, go around the corner. All right. We're looking for a lady in the lake. You know the people up there? What's your name? No. Yes. Yes. Come out, Marcel, make we hear what you must say there. Because he might give you direction. Oops. Himself, come make him show where away, Marcel. Come. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh boy. Okay.
I'm going to go around the corner there, sir. Now go. So you reach right up there, sir. See that the house stop there? When you reach right up there, sir, you're going to see one road turn, sir. And one turn, sir. That's the one that gone back up and where you come from. You turn by your
Right.
right. That's one little black shop. Right on the roadside. On the bottom side and on your left hand. As you pass the little black shop, you just go up and this one crossroad and you turn so. And you right out of that tree. Right out of that coconut tree where you look at.
Oh.
A driving road, go down.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
So alright, if me I come from
Come in right there, so.
no, if me I come from alright, we come past Pali. Which part is this?
Right there, so man, right there, so. Take it out, this one, far road there, you so. As you come down the corner there, so. This one big next roundhouse. By your right.
What you tell us, we take for a right turn.
The right turn, man, in right.
Go down in one road.
And down, so. Yeah. And yes, and I see one this. I see one you go back from this side. When you come up there, so all the way. You come all the way to the ground there. See that ground there? Yeah. Where you look at that clean out and the one light post there?
When you put up there, so?
Yeah. At the road that.
Yeah.
And when you come out, now you just go so and take right turn, same way.
Oh. So because
Appear right to the one. You know, tell you right. But when you come there, so you go take right. When you go up there, so you go take right, see how you go now.
Okay.
But when you go, man. Enough for me, no man. Enough for me for a longer time.
Enough for you again, man.
What is your name?
I think we know. Dale.
Alright.
When I go up there, you tell him, say Dale.
Alright.
And Dale direct you. Alright, Dale. Yes.
Alright. Good,
And if
good.
you ask you where Dale come from, tell him you're from Union.
Well, should we see you at the Panny camp?
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, little bit. Let me.
Come on, brother, make him pass.
Oh God. Okay. What a something.
Ah, well, we can't follow instruction.
Why a minute? I don't know. Oops. Oh boy. Oh.
Because we may not understand.
Me not see them right turn the way them a tell me about, unless we don't know.
Me not see no right turn.
Oh boy. We can't make everybody know so we lost so bad.
No? Well, me not lost, me first. Instrument, sir. First, me first, not last.
Alright, so it's around this corner. Okay, so it's up this hill. God. Okay, hold on.
And that she said if you turn in a one road.
Also, this would be like, she said there's a shop. Well, I don't, oh, see the shop there?
She said if you make left at the shop.
She said, no, she never said make left at the shop. She said you go see one
man,
shop
she
and
said
if you
make-
turn
yeah.
on the road.
Yeah, that is. May I tell you, I don't see no left turn.
Okay.
So I never see that road. What may I look for?
Oh boy. So we're going way up the top. We get that part. What is it?
Above some coconut tree we are going.
Okay.
And that's how we are going.
Suppose there's a coconut tree before I reach. Is there anywhere the coconut tree? See some coconut tree here? So yes, sir?
We are going more.
Can't be that one because you can't stay down there and see these.
It's good for you can know places still, you know. And if you're not lost, you can't know no way.
I think you say never last.
Because when you're lost, you drive up and down all over the place and look where you look for, so you just know somewhere else. That's true.
Yeah,
I don't really we lost in a place.
You can't find the place.
So this road look like it better than down there, son.
So with the coconut tree them then now.
You know, so if you make one right turn somewhere, son.
Oh gee, ask some man here.
I will almost reach. Where you see me done?
Yes, sir.
Me look for
Yeah, man, around them, I go to.
Oh.
They come from far, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, you turn on the road, yeah.
So where you going there for?
No, me in law.
Oh, we feel know that.
Next time, you come. Just turn
So
on
make
the
you
road.
come then, no?
Alright.
Then if you... Oh, you my drive? Seriously? Him look over here for me good time. I want to see if I really Joe can make like... Seriously? But he gone back down the road.
He said, if you go out there, come. Yeah, I know my in-law.
Goat walking across the road.
Yeah.
Okay, boss.
How far we are going to go?
After you pass away water circle, you're going to see one intersection turning.
Turn in.
One elephant.
Yeah. Thanks.
This goat is being deliberate, you know. You like
Examiner.
wait as hell.
Man, so take time past them go on.
Oh, him don't have no rope on. We on him rope. Boy, we did need a whole heap of direction to come up here, so. I don't think that they just find it so regular. Also, we passed the water puddle.
That is it.
We got them know exactly where
So
they're
if we
going.
go one like an intersection. Almost an intersection in a bush. Morning. How are they find us?
Oh my God. No, so that's a church road. Have mercy. Unless this at the intersection.
Yeah, my boss. How you come from?
Yeah.
How far the way I go?
Yeah.
Thanks.
That's funny. It just happened to come from.
Man, say after you go through Puddle, you make one left, you know, say, you know, I go drive the wrong road.
Man. This dog I get excited like he knows. Flash tail rather than barking. See some other dogs that too, make me not mind, you know. A whole heap of dog, you know.
I don't know which one I host. I make we turn their face out so if people are running down with fly out.
Serious business, yeah.
She's serious. Yeah. See security them run out.
Why?
They not even have no use, not even one little bow.
Them used to people coming. Okay, now the phone not working. Myself under a tree. Come out a little bit, please.
And me I come to? And me I go for you.
When say yes, him coming to us? Okay, good.
Can't stop us.